Welcome everybody, how are you? Today we will solve a lot of questions without using calculator, okay? We must pay attention about this question and must write it in your notebook. Question number 1, choose the correct answer. If x power 2 plus kx plus 25 is a perfect square, then k equal. It was a perfect square, then we can find the result about k about 2, positive or negative 2, square root of first, x power 2 multiply square root of the third 25, so the result will be positive or negative 2 multiply x multiply 5, the result will be positive or negative 10x, then the result will be positive or negative 10 about k. If x power x plus 2 equal 1, then x equal, we know x power 0 equal 1, so x must be negative 2 because negative 2 plus 2 equals 0. Question number 3, if x power 2 subtract a equal x subtract 3 multiply x plus 3, then a equal 9 because 3 times 3 equal 9, to be 9. The half of the number 2 power 8 is space. Half of 2 power 8 equal 2 power 7 because 8 subtract 1 equals 7. It was 2 power 8 multiply 2 power negative 1. This is the inverse. Okay, 2 power negative 1 is the inverse of 2. So the result will be 2 power 7 because we multiplicate 2 terms and the base was similar. We must find the result about power here and power 8 and negative 1. We must add them. 8 subtract 1 equals 7. So the result will be 2 power 7. If 2 over 3 power x equal 8 over 27, then x equal 3 because 2 power 3 equal 8, 3 power 3 equal 27, then x equal 3. Question number 6, if x power 3 plus 8 equal x power 2, x plus 2 multiply x power 2 plus k plus 4, then k equal, we know k is the median. About factorize x power 3 plus 8, the result will be 2 times x, but we must change the sign. The sign will be negative 2x, so k will be negative 2x. Question number 2, complete the following. The solution set about x power 2 plus 9 equal 0 and r equal 5. Because we haven't any digit, if we find the result power out it and add the result to 9, the result will be not equal 0, and we can solve it. The equation here, x power 2 equal negative 9 by moved the digit here from left hand side to right hand side, it will be negative. Then if we want to find the square root of negative 9, it's impossible. We can find the result in r, not boiling to in r, so the result will be 5 in r. The multiplicative inverse of the number root 3 power 4 is, we want to find the multiplicative inverse, so we must find the result about root 3 power 4 first. Half of power cancels the root, 3 power 2 equal 9. The multiplicative inverse will be 1 over 9. Question number 3, if x subtract 4 is a factor expression, x power 2 subtract 5x plus 4, then the other factor 8. We must factorize this expression. Open 2 brackets here, x power 2 multiply x times x, 1 times 4 equal 4, and we must write sign here, so the result will be x equal 1 or x equal 4. X equal 1 or equal x 4. He want to find it if it was the equation, but he want to find the other factor. The other factor, it will be x subtract 1, because if we factorize this expression, the result will be x subtract 1 multiply x subtract 4. But if you want to find this expression equals 0 or convert it to the equation, the result will be 1 and 4. But he want to find what? Want to find the other factor. The other factor will be x subtract 1 because the first was x subtract 4, so the other will be x subtract 1. We must write x subtract 1 here. The probability of any event a polling is of the interval from 0 and 1. Root 5 power 3 divided 5 multiply root 5. we can find the result here. Root 5 power 2 multiply root 5 power 1, and we can write 5 multiply root 5. Root 5 we can cancel with root 5, and 5 root 5 power 2 equal 5. 5 divided by 5 equal 1. Question number 3. Factorize each of the following: ax plus bx plus 5a plus 5b. We can factorize it here. Number 1, ax plus bx plus 5a plus 5b. We can factorize this expression about two term, factorize then divided this expression two term, and write x outside here. The result will be a plus b, plus you can write 5 outside. The result will be a plus b, and a plus b was repeated about two terms. The result will be x plus 5. The result will be a plus b multiply x plus 5. Question number 1. Question number 2. X power 3 subtract 1. Okay, we can factorize it here. Open two brackets. X subtract 1, x power 2, negative 1 power 2, and we can change the sign here. It will be positive x. The result will be x subtract 1 multiply x power 2 plus x plus 1 in another brackets. Question number 4. X power 4 plus 4. It's a completing perfect square. About this example, let 2 multiply first x power 4 multiply square root of second. The result will be 2 x power 2 multiply 2 equal 4x power 2. So in this example we must space here and put here positive 4x power 2 and cancel 4x power 2. Again, it was expression. Okay, we must put 4x power 2 and subtract 4x power 2 and convert the expression to perfect square. So the result will be x power 2 plus 2 all power 2 subtract 2x power 2, and we can convert. This will be x power 2 plus 2, x power 2 plus 2, negative 2x, positive 2x. This is the result of our question. Okay, and what about find in our solution set of the equation x power 2 plus 9x plus 18 equals 0. We can factorize it. X multiply x, we want to find two-digit multiplication about them 18, and if we add them equal 9, we have 3 times 6. 3 times 6 equal 18, positive and positive, and we can find the result here. X equal negative 3 and x equal negative 6. So the solution set in R equal negative 3 and negative 6. Question number 4. If 3 power x minus 1 equal 27, then x equal what? We know 3 power 3 equal 27. So x subtract 1 will be equal 3. Then x equal 3 plus 1 equal 4. X will be 4. Simplifies this expression. We know root of 5 here. Look at with me about example. Root 5 power 7 plus 3 subtract 9, and root 2 we can write it from denominator to numerator will be 3. The result will be root 5 power 7 plus 3 10 minus 9 equal 1 multiply root 2 power 3, it will be 2 root 2. So the result will be what? Because it was 2 root 2. Why? Because root 2 power 3 it was root power root 2. Look at this here. we know root 2 power 3, we can write it root 2 multiply root 2 power 2. Then we can write 2 here, and we can cancel root 2 with power. The result will be 2 root 2. 2 times 1 equal 2, and root 5 times root 2 equal root 10. The result will be 2 root 10. Okay, goodbye my students. You must pay attention about all examples and solve it in your notebook. Goodbye.